Hi there, my name is Gabriel, and in this course you're going to learn how to create your first app using ARKit. This app is the AR UFO and Shuttle launch. Currently we're able to launch two vehicles into space, the first being a spinning flying saucer. And then the second being a space shuttle. Now, in this course, we learn a lot, including how to add rotations to objects and how to implement particle effects. And so, if you're ready to dive in and create this app, then what are you waiting for? Enroll in this course today.